How to fix if you're adding music to your Instagram bio or profile and it's not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with adding music to your Instagram bio or profile, you are not alone. Today we are diving into the quick solutions to get that music feature working for you. So let's get started. First off, you need to open the Instagram app on your device. Simply tap on the Instagram icon over here. Once you're in your Instagram app, you need to go ahead to your profile here. Simply tap on profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in the profile, you need to tap on three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to scroll down until you see the logout option. You need to simply log out of your account and then log back in order to solve the problem. But if the problem still persists, we need to check our settings. In order to do that, you need to go back. Then you need to tap on settings icon over here. Once you're in settings, you need to scroll down and then tap on general. From general, you need to tap on iPhone storage over here. Once you're here, you need to scroll down until you find the Instagram app. Once you find the Instagram app, simply tap on it. And from here, you need to tap on offload the app. Once you have done that, simply go back to your app store and then try installing the app again. This will clear all the caches of your Instagram and hope the problem will be solved after doing this. And there you go. You should now see the music feature available on your profile. If it still does not show up, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and solutions. Let us know in the comment if you have any other questions or issues, and I'll see you in the next video.